So hey guys, when it comes to choosing between the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and the Watch 5 Pro, there are a few key differences to consider. These differences include size options, availability and pricing. Let's dive into each of these factors to help you make an informed decision. Starting with the size options, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is available in both 43mm and 47mm variants. On the other hand, the Watch 5 Pro is only available in a 45mm option. Plus, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic comes with slimmer bezels allowing for a large display area. This means you get more screen real estate to view your notification, apps and other content. The bigger display enhances the overall visual experience and making interacting with the watch more enjoyable. To make this even better, there is a brighter display. Yes, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic boasts brighter display of 2000 nits compared to its predecessor. This ensures improved visibility even in brighter outdoor conditions. Whether you are checking the time or reading a message, the brighter display ensures that you can easily see the content without any strain. Battery life is always an important consideration when it comes to smartwatches. With the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, you can expect longer battery life compared to Watch 5 Pro. This means you can use your watch throughout the day without having to worry about constantly recharging it. Therefore, it's always a good idea to compare prices from different retailers to ensure you're getting the best deal. In terms of features, both the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and the Watch 5 Pro offers a wide range of functionalities. This includes fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and various smartwatches capabilities such as notification, music control, and contactless payments. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic runs on WearOS 4, which is latest version of Google's operating system for smartwatches. This brings a host of new features and improvements including enhanced health and fitness tracking capabilities, better app integration, and more intuitive user experience. Additionally, the watch also features One UI Watch 5, which is Samsung's own custom interface designed specially for their smartwatches. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classics offer a range of exciting features that enhances its usability and functionality. From slimmer bezels and bigger display to long battery life and faster internals, this smartwatch is designed to provide an exceptional user experience. Whether you are a fitness enthusiast or someone who wants a stylish and functional smartwatch, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic has something to offer for everyone. So what you have decided, let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.